If you're looking for a solid fire pit that is not going to overwhelm your campsite with smoke, you definitely want to check this out, because not only is it built to do just that, it also has this really nice stainless steel design and some innovation at the very top.
So once you unbox this, this is ready to use. And you can see that you're going to get a bag. You're also going to have a removable ash pan inside the fire pit. You have a removable flame ring at the very top, so you can take that off, put that on, and also turn it upside down if you would like. And the other thing that makes this different, besides the really nice grade stainless steel, is at the bottom of this you have a foldable stand. So you can take out the legs at the bottom, and once we unboxed this, we started to prepare our wood, our fire source, and we just added a little bit of gasoline on that wood. We put it inside the fire pit along with some wood dust and lit the match, and that's all that it took to generate a really nice flame. And that flame burned for a long time, and it was burning real hot. So if you had a few people surrounding this, they would most certainly stay warm. As far as the dimensions, you're looking at just over 7 inches tall and just under 7 inches wide. I think that this is going to match any type of outdoor table. For our purposes, we're going to use this on the back patio, and we're actually going to be using multiple fire pits because we plan to make some s'mores and also do some grilling outside, some outdoor games, and we tend to have people over for small gatherings, and this is just perfect for that, especially on those cold days, and you can just see how well that flame is burning. So let's get into some of the other details that you can expect with this. It is meant to operate quietly, and that's one of the things that I noticed, is that if you are looking to have some nice evening conversation with this burning, it is not going to overwhelm you with the noise of the fire, because it is double insulated on the inside, and also it's not going to overwhelm you with the smoke because there's a special design for that as well. The fire pit is recommended to use pellets or wood, and you saw how we were able to do that. It is removable and easy to clean, and we certainly noticed that once we were done, that only take a few minutes really to dispose of the ashes, and then you rinse it out. So this can be used for a long time and is going to keep everybody warm on that back patio. It's also great for camping.
In conclusion, I absolutely love this tabletop fire pit, not only because of its innovation and this sleek stainless steel design, but also look at how great that flame was once we got it going, and it didn't take long to get it going. This is going to look great on any table. In fact, if you add multiple of these tabletop fire pits, it's going to be even better, because if you have a big group of people, you can each share your own tabletop fire pit. You can use that for sharing s'mores, making food, and having a lot of fun at the campsite or even in your backyard. I love it. It's great. Hope this review helps, and thanks for watching.